Right. Good morning, students. Having completed some methods of sampling, specifically random one, in that we have done simple random sampling, and in restricted random, which is still going to continue restricted random, we have done stratified sampling. Now, giving you an option, students, where again a little bit of restricted random element will come in our study. Remember, we are still doing restricted random sampling, but little bit different one, as the name suggests, systematic. Now, let's take for example, students, um, a particular agency is looking into finding out the average educational level of the parents, right, of a particular school, a very renowned school as such, having almost 4,000 students right from nursery till 12th class, and they're trying to find out what is the average educational level, because that is a very social barometer to judge from which background the children are expected to come, or are part of this particular institution. So, I mean, in census, what we'll do, students, we'll take all 4,000 and try to find out their parents' educational standard. But again, it's waste of time, lot of money involved, right? And time also involved. So, what a school can do or an investigating agency can do about their school is to take a small sample of 100 children and their respective parents and inquire about their educational background and find out in general what is the background of the children. So, what they will do is they have decided the sample size will be 100, right? Now, how they can start? First thing, for having a sample of 100, let's divide the total population with the size of the sample and gives you a figure which is 40, right? That means if we make a list, students, let's say for example in the ascending order, starting from nursery, the first student, roll number 1, till 12th class student, the last roll number, the total strength is 4,000. For simplicity, we have taken a very nice whole number. The first student from nursery, 4,000. The last student, 4,000 student, is from 12th as such. So, answer comes 40. We take the first child for our sample being the 40th number in that list. Maybe he's coming from nursery as such, right? Now, the second child which will come will be the next one multiplied by 2, which will take it as 80, right? 80th roll number in the list. Third, 120th. By that time, maybe the KG and the upper KG classes will start coming up, and henceforth you will continue this way, and as a result you will find the last roll number, the 100th number to be picked for the sample will be the 4,000. That is the number of the child that might be from representing 12th. So, from nursery till 12th, we have 100 children represented through a method wherein a list is prepared, a number is picked up first. Now remember, this 40 can be 30 also. We can start with 30, right? And then, but thereafter we have to take a gap of 40. So 30, 70, 110. For simplicity, we have taken 40, 80, 120 just to have a continuity. This particular method is called as systematic sampling. Systematic sampling. Its pre-requirement is that number of elements of the universe should be finite. We should know how many are there. We had 4,000. If that is not available, then unfortunately this method cannot be followed. Merits, it is a pretty simple method, straightforward. Compute, prepare the list. Whatever 100 parents have come, take the answer, take the average income for purpose of calculation. Clear? Next come the list to be prepared as far as the next element is concerned, that is the demerit part. For that we have to prepare the whole list, students. Clear? So that whole list preparation itself can be a little bit of an issue, and that is tedious and that is time consuming. So to on the flip side or on the negative side, the entire list to be prepared is one demerit, but I think it is pretty simple method to be followed as such, and therefore its merit overpowers its demerit. So second method of restricted random sampling after stratified one is systematic sampling for you all students. I hope all of you understood it. Thank you.